First, open the menu and navigate to the device connection screen as follows. Check and note down the password shown on this screen. Do not close this screen yet. Now perform the Wi-Fi connection on the monitor. Tap the screen to bring up the menu, tap Camera, then select and turn on Wi-Fi. Tap Add New Device, locate and select this camera. After entering the password, tap Confirm. Wait a moment. The camera will display the pairing screen. Tap OK to start pairing. Once the monitor displays the control panel, it means the camera has been successfully connected. For future connections, when you turn on the monitor and want to connect to the camera, you do not need to re-enter the password. Simply go to My Devices, find your camera, and connect. Tap Rec, starts or stops video recording on the camera. Tap Iris, adjusts the aperture value. Tap Shutter, adjusts the shutter speed. Tap ISO, adjusts the ISO sensitivity. Tap Focus. In AF mode, you can perform touch focus directly on the monitor. In MF mode, use the buttons on the control panel to adjust focus. Tap WB, selects or changes the white balance mode. When white balance is set to K, tap CT to adjust the color temperature. When ISO is set to auto or the camera is in automatic modes, tap EV to adjust the exposure compensation value.